everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a ribbed herringbone stitch. Now this crochet stitch, it carries that similar herringbone pattern, so that little chevron V stitch as you would see in other herringbone stitches, but it also features this ridge or rib that runs up along the length of the herringbone pattern. Gives it a little bit more interest, gives it a little bit more texture, and this is a fairly easy stitch to work. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using a Birchwood hook by Rowan Yarn. This is a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. I'll also be using some worsted weight cotton yarn. This is the Pima Cotton by Lion brand, and I'll have direct links to these items in the description of this video. Also down there in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated with every single week with free crochet patterns and other great crochet stitches like this one. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. So we're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain, and your foundation chain will need to be a multiple of 10 plus 1 stitches. Today I'm going to go ahead and chain 21. And 21. Now our stitch pattern, it is a 2-row repeat, which makes it very easy to work and remember. However, there are a couple rows that we need to work first in order to get the stitch pattern set up. So we're going to start row 1, and for row 1 you're going to begin by working 4 double crochet stitches into the 6th chain from your hook. So count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th, the next chain, you're going to work 4 double crochet stitches all into that same stitch. You're then going to work 1 double crochet into your next stitch. Just going to adjust my lighting here, see if I can get rid of some of those shadows for you. There you go. Double crochet into the next stitch and then work 4 double crochets into your next stitch. So you have 4 double crochets, a single double crochet, and 4 double crochets into your next stitch. You're then going to chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then into your next stitch you're going to work a single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches, and you're now going to repeat that pattern all the way across. Work 4 double crochets into your next stitch. Double crochet into your next stitch. Work 4 double crochets into your next. Then continue the repeat with skipping the next 3 stitches, chaining 1 and single crocheting in the next stitch, then chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches, and repeat all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. When you have 3 stitches remaining, you're going to skip your next 2 stitches and then chain 1 and double crochet into the final stitch. just like so. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to work a single crochet into the first stitch. So single crochet into the top of that first double crochet stitch. You're then going to work a front post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 double crochet stitches. To work your front post double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook in front of your work, insert your hook around the post from front, around back, out through the front again of the next stitch, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your front post double crochet. You're going to do that around the post of each of the next 4 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're then going to chain 1 and work a back post double crochet around the post of the next stitch. To work the back post double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook in back of your work and insert your hook from the back, around front, out through the back again around the post of the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your back post double crochet. Chain 1. You're then going to work a front post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 2. You're now going to repeat that all the way across. Work a front post double crochet around each of the next 4 stitches. So you're skipping your single crochet and chain stitches. 1 front post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, back post double crochet around the post of the next stitch, chain 1, front post double crochet around the post of each of the next 4 stitches, chain 2, and repeat. You're going to do that all the way across until you come to your final stitch, where you will finish off the row by simply working a single crochet into the top of that starting chain. Chain 4 and turn your work. We're now at the repeat portion of the pattern. So for row 3, we're going to begin by working 4 double crochet stitches into the first chain 1 space. So skip those 4 double crochet and into the chain 1 space work 4 double crochet stitches. Next, work a front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch and 4 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next 4 double crochets and single crochet into your chain 2 space. Chain 1 and repeat that all the way across. Skip the next 4 double crochets and work 4 double crochets into your next chain 1 space. Front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch, followed by 4 double crochets into your next chain 1 space. Then chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 1, and repeat. You're going to repeat that all the way across until you come to your final stitch. When you come to your final stitch, you're going to finish off with a chain 1 and then work a double crochet into your final single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 4, we're going to begin by working a single crochet into the first stitch. You're then going to work a front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. To work the front post single crochet, you're going to bring your hook in front of your work, insert it around the post of the next stitch, yarn over and drop a loop, yarn over and pull through your 2 loops. That's your front post single crochet. So work a front post single crochet around the post of each of those next 4 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and work a back post double crochet around the post of the next stitch. Chain 1 and work a front post double crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 2 and repeat. Front post single crochet around the posts of each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, back post, double crochet around the post of the next stitch. Chain 1, front post single crochet around the post of each of the next 4 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and repeat. You're going to do that all the way across until you come to your final starting chain 4, and you're going to finish off the row by working a single crochet into that 3rd chain of the starting chain 4. Chain 4, turn your work, and that's all there is now for the repeats in the pattern. You're going to start off by working a repeat of row 3 with your 4 double crochets into that chain 1 space. You're going to repeat your rows 3 and 4 for as long as you would like, then fasten off, weave in your ends, and enjoy. So thank you so much for joining me once again. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon for another great stitch tutorial. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.